Starting a YouTube channel is exciting, but one of the biggest mistakes beginners make is choosing the wrong niche. Some topics become popular for a short time and then disappear. Others continue getting views year after year. These are called evergreen niches. They solve problems, they answer questions, or teach useful skills that people will always search for. Choosing the right niche from the beginning can help you to grow your channel faster and create long-term income source. In this video, I will share some of the best evergreen YouTube niches that continue to attract viewers and have great earning potential. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to grow online using smart tools and easy methods. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to check the link from description for the useful tools and resources that can help you to start and grow your YouTube channel. Now, let's get into main part of today's video. Let's begin with a niche that continues to grow every year, technology. Technology is one of the strongest evergreen niches on YouTube. Every day, people searches for software reviews, AI tools, tutorials, comparisons, YouTube builders, and business apps. New tools are released regularly, giving you endless content ideas. Companies in the tech industry also offer good affiliate programs, making it a great niche if you want to earn through affiliate marketing. If you enjoy testing software and explaining how it works, this niche has excellent long-term potential. Next, let's talk about the personal finance. People are always looking for ways to save money, invest wisely, manage their budget, reduce the debt, and build extra income. This topic is still relevant because everyone wants to improve their financial situation. You can create videos about budgeting, investing, passive income, side hustles, credit cards, banking apps, and financial tools. These niche also attract high value advertisers, which can increase your earning potential over time. Now, let's move to the health and fitness. Living a healthy lifestyle is something people care about in every season. Viewers search for workout, routines, weight loss tips, healthy recipes, home exercises, mental wellness, and fitness advice every day. If you have knowledge or experience in this area, you can build a loyal audience by creating helpful and practical content. Just remember to avoid making medical claims unless you are qualified to do so. We are getting close to our final recommendations, that is education. Education and online learning is another evergreen niche with huge potential. Millions of people visit YouTube to learn new skills. You can create tutorials about graphic designs, coding, video editing, languages, business skills, or productivity. The more useful your lessons are, the more likely viewers will return to your channel and recommend it to others. Educational videos also tend to perform well in YouTube search because people continue looking for the same answers over time. And finally, here is one of the best niche for long-term growth, that is home improvement and DIY project. Home improvement and DIY projects continue to attract viewers year after year. People search for home organization ideas, simple repairs, decorating tips, woodworking, gardening, and creating DIY projects before starting their own work. These videos often remain useful for long time, which means they can continue getting views long after they are published. This niche also give you many opportunities to recommend tools, equipments, and other products through your affiliate marketing. So which niche should you choose? If you enjoy exploring software and digital tools, the technology niche is a fantastic choice. If you like talking about money and helping people make smarter financial decisions, personal finance has strong long-term potential. If you are passionate about healthy living, health and fitness can build a loyal audience. If you enjoy teaching others, education is one of the most rewarding niches on YouTube. And if you love creating practical projects, home improvement and DIY can continue bringing views for many years. The most important thing is to choose a niche that matches both your interest and your knowledge. You will be creating YouTube videos for a long time, so pick a topic that you genuinely enjoy. When you consistently create helpful content, YouTube has a better chance of recommending your videos to new viewers. And that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope this guide helped you discover some of the best evergreen niches for YouTube and give you ideas to starting or growing your own channel. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe this channel and check the description for useful tools and resources to help you on your YouTube journey. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.